the Kodiak Chamber News and Views, where each week we sit down with representatives from local businesses and nonprofits to learn more about the services and resources available in our community. I am your host, Erica Thompson. I'm here with Matt and Jeremy, business owners at Sound Mental Health, Kodiak's new mental health clinic. Welcome to the studio.
Thanks, Erica. It's good to be here.
Yeah, thanks, Erica.
Sound Mental Health offers an incredible range of services, including marriage and family counseling, individual therapy, and workshops. We're so excited to welcome you to town. What inspired you to open your doors?
Well, there is need. We know that the current service providers all have wait lists, and that is just really hard on folks. When they have needs, there's a window of opportunity to really make a difference and have an impact in someone's life, and we think we can help augment the services that are here.
Yeah, there's totally a need. I know we've had to put our names down on a wait list. So last week we got to celebrate the grand opening of the new office in the high-rise building and meet the new clinicians. Would you like to share more about them?
Yeah, Veronica Samaniego, she's a licensed professional counselor. We're happy to have her. She is actually born and raised in Kodiak, so she's pretty familiar with the community, and she's really friendly.
Yeah, Veronica's awesome. I know her personally, and she's such a good friend.
She's everyone's friend. Those are good souls.
Yeah.
Amanda Meyer is a licensed therapist. She's a local Coastie wife, so she knows that population very well.
Yeah.
She enjoys serving clients of all ages. She's especially interested in anxiety and depression issues and helping people get through those hard times.
Which is really needed. So for anyone interested in learning more about Sound Mental Health or accessing your services, what's the best way to reach out?
Just give us a call at our number, 907-835-9355.
Or you can email us at admin@soundmentalhealth.org.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming in today. You've been listening to Chamber News and Views. Listen in on Thursday and Saturday for the latest on what's happening in our Kodiak business community.